Hi there, welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be talking about Bing ads. And this is a great way to advertise your products and services. Now, Bing ads is the #2 pay-per-click network in the world behind Google, although a lot of people uh, don't know much about Bing ads yet and haven't looked at it as an advertising tool. But it's real simple to sign up. Setting up campaigns is very simple, and you can even import your Google Ads campaigns into Bing Ads. And yeah, so I actually know of people that are getting cost per click of less than 1 cent per click. Okay, so the great thing about Bing Ads is that you can reach millions of people, including the ones who don't search on Google. And you can control your costs by setting your budget by keyword, day, or month. And you only pay when your ad is clicked on. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to write a good text ad. So what I'm looking at here is my Bing account, and what I've chosen is to create a new campaign. And so what I'm looking at here is the area where you would type in the text for a text ad. Okay, notice you have a couple of options here. You could also do a mobile ad, but we're not going to go through that in this video course. We're just going to go through writing text ads. And basically the easiest thing to do here is to just go to Google, search for your keywords, look for the top paying ads, and then you could just basically copy and reword some of those top paying ads, and then just use that in your text here. Okay, so here you have your ad title. For now I've just typed in test, and then you could type in the actual text of the ad. And as you're making changes, as you can see here, you can see what your ad looks like on the side here. It's also a good idea to create 5 different text ads with 5 different ad titles with the same ad text. After you've typed your text ad, you can go ahead and choose the keywords you want to bid on. Now, to find out which keywords you want to use, you can go ahead and use a keyword tool. There's many out there, and even Google Ads has a keyword tool available. But it's best to get at least 200 keywords, and then you just enter the keywords here. So if you were in the make money niche, you can just type down the keywords here, such as make money or just money, income, etc., and just press add here, and they get added to the right here. And for selecting the type, it's best just to go with broad. And for the bid, if you want to try to get 1 cent per click, between 1 and 5 cents per click, then try to go for 5 cents per click here. And you don't really know how much you're gonna pay per click until you actually start getting clicks. So even though you're putting a bid in of 5 cents, your cost may be anywhere from the range of 1 cent to 5 cents. Alright, so in this final video, I just want to give a few tips on how to make the most out of your Bing ads. Okay, first of all, I like to say, it's a good idea to target both the search results and the content results, because in certain niches, the content network may actually have better results. Okay, and once you have a campaign that's making money, you could scale up, and ideally it's good to have dozens of these campaigns, so you have multiple streams coming in, and eventually that'll add up, and hopefully that could result in thousands of dollars per month for you. It's also good to build a list by first sending the visitors to a landing page where visitors would have to give you their email address, and then you would just automatically direct the visitors to the affiliate offer. Because once you have people's email addresses, you can market to them over and over. So even if they didn't purchase the original affiliate offer, you could later on down the road email them other related affiliate offers and make money that way.